Welcome to Enval Nejat Production Mixing course. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to show you how to organize your project in Cubase. As you can see here, we have a project with about 40 lines and we're gonna organize it today. So let's have a listen first. It's like a total mess to me because you can't easily find the instruments. Organizing is one of the most important steps in mixing and it saves you lots of time. Let's explain the organizing. Organizing includes proper naming, color coding, and sorting instruments by their types and dividing them by folders. Here we have the bass line. So let's rename it. The names like Audio 1 and Audio 2 don't get you anywhere, so you better name them properly and avoid using too long names. So now let's make some folders and divide our instruments by their types. To create a folder in Cubase, you can easily click on the plus button on the left corner or right click on one of your instruments, and in the Add Track section, just simply choose the folder. And now you should choose a name for your folder. I usually start with percussions. Now find and select your percussion instruments like kick, snare, hi-hat and other percussions and simply drag them to the folder. Keep creating folders and sorting your instruments. Create a folder for keyboards, guitars, pads, basses, synths, sound effects, and other types like woodwinds, brass, and every type of instrument you find in the project. This kind of sorting saves you lots of time and makes you mix much faster. Just try it out and you'll get a great result out of it. It's possible to use other variations as well. Just find what fits you the best. As you can see, we have sorted all of our instruments by their types and now we can get through them more easily. Now it's the time to assign color to our tracks. To assign a color, choose your tracks, not the events. Just select the tracks and make sure that you have not selected the events. On the toolbar, select the color menu and choose the color you like. And here it is, you have just colored your track. So it's my method of color coding. You may choose different colors. Color assignment is a useful way to get through the instruments faster, and it's also very motivating when you have a colorful workflow. So as you can see, we have applied color to all of our tracks. And now let's find the synthesizer, for example. And now here it is. And we can simply find and hear it and the other one. So let's go to the saxophone, the solo sax, and the vocal.
How to organize your mix session. How to organize your mix session. Simple steps to how to organize your...
And now you have your project organized and you can find everything easily. If you have any question, feel free to write it down in the comments. And if you like this tutorial, subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss anything. And again, share and like this video.